gano'n. Huwag ko intindihin. At least sa love song, dapat you look in love. You should look in love. You say, hey, hey, the real time, hey, hey, I'm never gonna shut you out.
Ikaw ang pinaka-natural na mga singer na nandito ngayon sa Pilipinas.
Hindi ko alam na napaka-versatile mo. Ang galing mo. See, my only criticism is the first two lines yung umpisa mo, medyo nagmamumble ka, hindi malinaw. So sabi ko, ano sabi? But as you moved on, malinaw na yung text niya, yung lyrics.
Parang hirap magkomento, pero nilagay ko dito yung napakaganda ng rapport mo with the audience. Kasi yung eye contact, no?
Grabe! Nakita niyo yun? Umpisa pa lang yan ang mga pinapakita nating BTR. Alam niyo po ba na tumawag ang American Idol? Baka dito na sa Pilipinas ganapin ang sinasabing contest nila. At puro Pilipino na ang gawing contestant sa kagaling ng mga
Ang Pinay talaga, napakagaling ng talent. Kaya nakakantahan.
Kaya people of the world, ako, the ultimate belter. Huwag natin patagalin pa. Lavinia Bayani, Lavinia, this is your moment.
The unknown road to separate my feet. Though that road may wander, it leads me to you. In a thousand years, would be worth the wait. It may take a lifetime, but somehow I'll see it through, and I won't look back. I will go the distance, and I stay on time. No, I won't accept defeat. It's a love slow, but I won't. Oh, till I go.